Abs have an essential role in athletic and active movements that we do every day. The workouts presented here are 6 of the best core exercises to develop aesthetically pleasing and functioning abdominals. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Okay, let's see the number 6 on our list. Number 6. Reverse crunch. This workout is impressive because it approaches training the abs muscles in the order of the weakest to the strongest range of motion. The lower ab is a thinner muscle with less range of motion than the upper ab muscle. Therefore, the upper ab is the area most concentrated in conventional activities such as sit-ups or crunches. While both of those workouts are excellent, they leave out your lower ab. By switching this workout, we can target the whole abdominal chain, thereby actually training the abdominals to support the lower ab and lumbar movement of the spine. If you can only do one workout for your abs, this is the one to do. Initiate with 3 sets of 8 for beginners, and try raising your sets before increasing your reps. Start by trying to make very small motions where you just concentrate on lifting your hips and folding but maintaining your lower back in contact with the board. Eventually, the advanced athlete is going to do 5 sets of 15 reps in a full range of motion while thoroughly engaging the lower ab and crunching the lower body into the upper body. Number 5. Hanging leg raises. Hanging leg raises are significant for the lower abs muscles, a frequently underworked part of the core. Hanging from a chin-up bar also pushes you to engage your entire body if you do it accurately. This activity is all about a technique to maximize its efficacy. With a little wider than shoulder width grasp, hang from a chin-up bar. Tighten your midsection so that your legs come just in front of you. That's the start position. We want to keep the abs tightened throughout the workout. No swinging. No utilizing the upper body. Our legs only return a little in front of our body position, not all the way down, as this takes the pressure off the abs. In a fully managed motion, raise the legs as high as possible without swinging or moving the upper body. Be mindful of your core muscles. Concentrate on contracting them hard. This activity is about quality, not quantity, so be strict and keep good form. Try to do 8 slow reps. Repeat 4 times. If you can, hold your legs straight. As you tire and your form drops, have a bend in the knees, keep a rigid upper body, and do not swing. Number 4. Supermans. Some may not consider Superman as an ab workout. Still, I highly doubt anyone could do these without utilizing their core muscles. These are commonly regarded as back activities. What most individuals don't understand is how the ab and back muscles have to work together. They are literally bound to each other by a few layers of fascia named the thoracolumbar fascia and also the tendons of some layers of core muscles. At certain points, they all link together and attach to the muscles of the back and into the spine. Your core and your back must work together, or one will overpower the other as it tightens on the tendons and fascia, and your spine. So, that is why I love this workout and highly recommend it. If you are not working on the lower back muscles, you are missing a big part of having a strong abdominal area. Your core muscles will be out of balance, and that will generate all kinds of different problems. If you do these properly, you have to maintain your abs turned on isometrically as you lift up your arms, hips, shoulders, and legs from the floor anyway. These can be performed in repetitions, but I also suggest working on holding this pose. Shoot for up to 25 nice and controlled reps or a 60-second hold. Supermans are more challenging to keep since all your weight goes through your abdomen. It can be more challenging to breathe, and, for us guys, it has been known to be a bit uncomfortable below the belt. Number 3. The dragon flag. I feel a love-hate relationship with this exercise because it is a very difficult activity to do, and it guarantees I'm working as hard as I can to keep the correct form. This is an activity that focuses on your abdomen stability and is perfect for building up, as it's not for the faint-hearted. The exercise involves laying in a prone pose on the floor or on a bench and lifting your glutes, legs, and lower back up off the ground by tightening the rectus abdominis. The purpose is to hold your body as straight as you can. Once your body is relaxing on your shoulders, you have to handle the eccentric motion of dropping your body weight, which pushes your abs into overdrive as they try to hold your body stable. To make the workout harder, you can utilize a decline bench to add even more range of motion. Top tip: make sure you utilize your hands to support the body by forcing yourself into the ground or bench. Don't pull them toward your body, or you run the chance of injuring your neck. You should also make sure you keep your glutes tight to control hip flexion. Plank variations. Number 2. Plank jack. Now we want to add some exercises to the equation. This is a beautiful warm-up option for runners, athletes about to train legs, or an improvised cardio challenge. You can choose many ways to add this to your training. Jump with your feet and kick them out to the sides when stretching to keep your upper body stationary. Once your feet touch the floor, jump again to get them back to the starting position. Please do it for the selected reps or time limit. Expert tip: ankle weights will also make this one more enjoyable. Once you feel relaxed with the form, try doing as many as you can in 45 seconds, then 60, and up to 2 minutes. Number 1. Side plank crunch. Now we are getting fancy. Aside from stabilization, not only core muscles, the obliques are about to put in some work. The obliques are the weakest muscle of the midsection region for many people. So don't be afraid of these, embrace them. Suppose a side plank pose with your forearm on the floor and the shoulder over the elbow. Your forearm should be pointed away from the body, not under the body. Raise your top arm past your head. Bring the arm back toward your core while simultaneously getting your top knee up and in, as if you're attempting to touch your elbow and knee together. Once you get your elbow and knee into the middle, stretch both backs to the starting position. This is just one rep. Repeat for the chosen reps, then change sides. Expert tip: you can make this one part of a full body course if you want to torch a lot of calories in a hurry. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a wonderful day.